In the second problem, it asks us to talk about some property and definition of some process. And the first one is WSS, which means the Y stands stationary process. And the definition is very easy. The mean is a constant, and the autocorrelation only depends on the time shifts and time difference. And the property is R0 larger and equals than 0. And it is an even function, and R0 larger or equals to the absolute value of R tau. And my understanding of this kind of process is it is very stable, stationary, and relatively stationary because um, it's a loose criterion actually, because the mean doesn't change as the time shifts, and the autocorrelation only related to the time shifts. An independent increment process, and the definition is there are two unoverlapped time intervals, and these two increments are independent random variables. And my understanding of this is think about Poisson. When there are two intervals not overlapped, they are independent random variables. A Markov process, and the definition is showing here and only related to the previous step of something. And take an example as how many people arrive at the station at this moment, only related to how many people arrive at this station at the last moment, because when I know the information about the last moment, I can get the full information I need for now. And strict stands stationary. From the name we can know that uh, it is more strict criterion for the stationary, and the statistics, all statistics of xt are the same as the xt plus c for any c. So no matter how much time you shift, the statistics are the same. Statistic won't change about time. And white noise. White noise, there's Ti and Tj for Xti and Xtj, and they're totally uncorrelated if I does not equal to j. This is what white noise means. And in some common situations, the mean of xt is 0, unless it's specially stated. And white noise is, there are some, when we transmit some signals, there might be some noise in it, which is kind of random and unpredictable. That is called white noise.